But what are we eating to make my sweet and tender Giada Knish in person? Please, help me really to make my sweet and tender Giada Knish in person. I told you again anytime, really. I did nothing wrong to him, really. I did nothing wrong to my sweet and tender Giada Knish, really. I have very much respect for him. I need really a big help to make my real Giada Knish of the Kids on the Block in person. Please help me really to make him in person. In the United States, I was for the real miracle on 20 April 2018, but I never met yet him in person. Because if my dream to make my sweet and tender Giada Knish of the New Kids on the Block in person not coming true really on 31 December 2024, I'm sure I'm coming from Milton and I show you really my sweet and tender Giada Knish because that's not right. You met other people, other girls, other boys, and not me really. That's not right. Help me really, please, my friends, to make my sweet and tender Giada Knish in person really so. I'm sure I make me angry really. Hello from Paola, from Italy. It's really very urgent, please.